In Texas, there are a few things we always say. We will never forget the Alamo, this ain't my first rodeo, straighter than a fast trip to the outhouse, and of course, a welcome from the Lone Star State.
I was afraid to throw it all away.
Our 4-day, 4-night Cowboys and Iron Horses ride will allow you to experience the back roads of the Texas Hill Country. You will see the Big Sky over Texas, Enchanted Rock, open range roads, Willow City, as well as get to enjoy the best barbecue while listening to the local music under the tree of the famous Lukenbach, Texas.
Forgot what little we had and let her into my heart. I found a new song. I walked to a different beat.
Then as we move south, we will ride the famous Three Sisters, see the Texas replica of Stonehenge, visit serene state parks of Garner and Los Mabels. There's rivers, streams, and yes, there's mountains out here. And on the southern end, the cowboy capital of the world, Bandera, Texas, home to more championship cowboys than anywhere else. This is Texas. Come ride the hill countries with us. Oh yeah, and welcome to the Lone Star State.
Not even a memory. And go ahead and cry, shed your meaningless tears. It's your turn this time.